Hi guys, in this video tutorial I will show you what to do if you're trying to shut down Windows and it's stuck, just like this guys. So I'm pressing the start button and it's not responding. Stay tuned and I will show you what to do. Right, what you need to do is hold Control Alt and delete all together. So all together, just like this. Okay, now this screen, this pop-up will show up. What I need you to do is select sign out. Now you just signed out. Now press enter on your keyboard. Just wait for it to load up. Okay, so now if you move your cursor to the start button, you will be able to now select shutdown or restart your Windows. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.